Amid the rising reports of power tussle in Karnataka, Congress sources in fact have informed that Randeep Singh Surjewala is taking feedback from the party MLAs and senior leaders over the functioning of the state government and will be submitting a report to the High Command. Any decision going forward will be taken on the basis of this particular report. So that's the latest update that we are getting for you. Let me go across to my colleague Neha Hebale joining us live for more on this. Neha, give us more details. So amidst the speculation, a denial coming in from Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar, now more inputs coming in that Surjewala is there taking feedback and will be taking a proper report to the party high command in Delhi.
Well, that's absolutely right. Of course, we're picking up at this point. We've just had a word with the Deputy Chief Minister himself exclusively. We've also gotten a word there from senior Congress leader, Mr. Randeep Singh Surjewala. All of them still denying the fact that there's going to be any change of guard here. Also further going on to deny that any discussions at all were held on this front. Now, if we are, of course, talking about the MLAs here who've been voicing their opinion, who've been voicing their support now for the Deputy Chief Minister to be made the Chief Minister. In fact, we've just gotten a word from MLA Iqbal Hussain as well, who had earlier said that there are 100 MLAs who have, in fact, expressed their support now for the Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. D.K. Shivakumar, to be made the Chief Minister. That the party can suspend me, the party can issue a show cause notice if they'd like, but my stance still remains the same. Essentially, of course, while this is an internal party matter, the reason, of course, that this is now out in the open there is the infighting. Is that really something that's impacting development in the state of Karnataka? Even as you have the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister putting up a united front here, the Chief Minister and, of course, even his deputy here saying that the focus of the party remains on strengthening the party from its roots and on giving out good governance. Mr. Surjewala there, when asked pointed questions by us about this, also saying that right now there is going to be no change of guard. There's no discussions being held on that, but we'll really have to wait and see how he manages to take stock of the situation and quell the dissidence that's now out in the open.
All right. Thank you very much, Neha, for the moment for joining us with your inputs on this story.